understand the different trigger types on TinyCommand. There are 7 trigger types in total, so let's go through them one by one. First is the manual trigger. When you select this, you can click Run to start the workflow. This is mainly useful for testing or running one-off tasks. Next is the Webhook trigger. Here, Studio provides you with a URL. Any system that sends a request to this URL will trigger the workflow, and the request data becomes your first set of variables. Next is the schedule or time-based trigger. You can set this to run daily, weekly, or at custom intervals. This is useful for things like reporting, cleanups, or recurring tasks. Next is the form trigger. This triggers whenever someone submits a Tiny form. You can also capture abandoned form data, and all form responses become variables inside your workflow. Next is the table trigger. This runs whenever there is a change in a Tiny table. You can choose events like row created, row updated, or row deleted. The row data then flows directly into your workflow. Next is the date field trigger. This triggers when a specific date field inside a table reaches a defined time. This is ideal for reminders, follow-ups, or deadline-based actions. Finally, we have app-based triggers. These come from connected apps like Slack, Stripe, or HubSpot. Any event from these integrations can start your workflow. So depending on your use case, you can choose the trigger that fits best. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command.